Watson and I are making a quick little video to unbox a box of paint. We got a package, didn't we? Did you bark at the postman? Oh my goodness. You guys, it came. Michael Wilcox School of Color. So I'm so excited to get this. I'm going to do a little unboxing. Someone else is pretty excited too. Are you excited? Are you so happy? Are you going to look at the paint? What's in here? Huh? Oh, let's find out. Who's excited? Watson, are you excited? You are? Okay. Oh, you want me to just get a knife out and try open it? Yes? Okay. Oh, you want me to bring it down by you? Okay, I guess we can open it on the floor too. Yeah? It helps when you're so short to open it on the floor? Yeah. Oh, much better. Okay. I need a knife though. You're right. We need a knife. Okay. Good boy. I know, you're so curious. What's in there? I'm curious too. What's in here? Oh, this is kind of cut over this side. Okay. Okay. What's in here? Oh. Is there any treats in there? You don't think so? Okay. Oh, this papery stuff. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, a card. It says, "Thank you from the School of Color. Michael Wilcox School of Color, LLC, Lorraine Ullin, President, from Clearwater, Florida." Cool. Ooh, look at this nice box. Buddy, what do you think about the box? Is it good? 37 milliliters ultramarine blue. 37-pound wiener dog. Look at this one. Quinacridone violet. You want me to open it? Okay, I'll open it. See this one? Violet red. No, we're not going to eat it. No. Quinacridone violet. Now I wonder what that's going to look like when we mix it. It has really great packaging, which is awesome. Sometimes when they're shipped all together, they're not packaged well, and the one will poke the other one, and you get it, and there's like paint squirting out the side, and that's never fun to get in the mail. So this is really nice packaging because there's no chance of them popping each other. And here's what I love about this company. They have the mixing name along with the pigment name. So here's mixing name and pigment name. And in the beginning, when I first was learning how to paint, that was really confusing to me because I would usually tubes of paint just say quinacridone violet or ultramarine blue, and you have to try and remember where does that fall on the color wheel. And then on top of it, they have the actual color wheel position here. As you can see, the violet red is there and the violet blue is there, so they'll make a great purple. So let's try mixing a purple here. We'll open it up. There's not much oil at the top. That's nice. Sometimes oil paints can ooze out the oil, which is fine. That's fine too. Got it. And here's ultramarine blue. Nice big caps. Okay. Wow, look at that color. That is a nice color. Very vibrant. I have just a scrap of canvas here. And a brush, and you can see the color when it's thinned out. Yeah, Now all these are actually pretty thinned out with solvent. They'll become even brighter if I put them, and then you can see the thin part and the thick part. Well, I would just like to say so far I'm really impressed with these paints. Thank you very much, Michael Wilcox and Lorraine Hewlin. I don't know if I'm saying your name correctly, and I really apologize if it's wrong. Thank you very much for the paints. I will use them and enjoy them. Again, these are really excellent for beginners because of the labeling. And they're excellent for professionals as well because they have high light fast. They're all conforms to the ASTM standards and they're fully pure pigment. Light fast on this one is excellent. PV29 is the number of the pigment. Again, ASTM, which is an industry standard of quality. Okay, Waddy, what do you think? What do you think about these colors? Are they nice and bright? Huh? Oh, yep, but you think they look delicious, don't they? We're not going to eat the paint. Nope, no eating the paint. Yes. Say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye.